What's happening, everybody? Here's your video for 4.4, subtracting integers. Well, when we were adding integers, we called those numbers that we were adding add-ins. In a subtraction problem, the first number is known as the minuend, and the second number is known as the subtrahend. Its answer is called the difference. One thing that I want to point out to you, see this 3? It's really a negative 3. The sign in front of a number belongs to its number. So that 3 is really negative 3. You'll see what I mean when I start doing some examples. Okay, feel free to pause this. This is in my mind how I would solve or simplify subtraction expressions. First and foremost, you see the asterisk next to the first step. Simplify any double negatives. Subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding a positive. You'll see through my examples. The second step, I want you to circle the minuend. The third step, circle the subtrahend and its sign. And then the fourth step, you're left with either it's a simple addition problem, where it's a positive plus a positive, and it looks like a kindergarten problem, or you're going to have to use the addition rules from section 4.2. You remember the same sign rule or the different sign rule. So here are some problems that I wrote down from the CUDA software worksheet that I showed you earlier in the week. Okay, that asterisk, see the double negatives? I would circle and turn this problem into 2 plus 2. I don't have to explain what 2 plus 2 is. Negative 1 minus 10. There isn't a double negative, so I'm going to circle the minuend. I'm going to circle the subtrahend. Now looking at those circles, I'm going to use the same sign rule. When the signs are the same, add and keep the sign. This answer is negative 11. That is a kindergarten math problem. I'm not going to teach you how to do 8 minus 7. It's 1, by the way. Okay, look at this mess. First, I'm going to deal with the double negative. Turn that into a positive. Then I'm going to write down the negative 8. And I'm going to write down what is now a 6. This is a 4.2 problem, negative 8 and positive 6. So I won't call it a minuend and subtrahend because it's an addition problem. But I will circle the first add-in, and I will circle the second add-in. That's the different sign rule. We should get negative 2 for an answer. Again, 11 minus 4, if you wanted to, I guess you could circle the minuend and circle the subtrahend. Different sign rule, but you could have done that problem and just said the answer is 7. That's an ugly problem. It's got a double negative. Let's clean that up first. And now I'm left with 48 plus 31. That's a basic addition problem. We are going to say that that is 79. Boy, I did that in my head. 18 minus 41. Okay, a kindergartner wouldn't know what to do. A kindergartner would say, I don't know if we can subtract 41 from 18. Well, we can. I'm going to circle the minuend. I'm going to circle the subtrahend and its sign. That's the different sign rule. So I could subtract 41 and 18 and get 23, but I have more negatives than I do positives. The absolute value of negative 41 is greater than 18, so I would say that this answer is negative 23. The difference is negative 23. We have this subtraction problem. There are no double negatives, so I'm going to circle the minuend, and I'm going to circle the subtrahend and its sign. Hey, automatically I see that that's the same sign rule. I'm going to add and keep the sign here. So whatever 38 plus 30 is, and then keep the signs. Last but not least, we have this ugly gem, double negatives. -1 plus 3. I'm going to circle -1, 4. Feel free to pause at any time. This is my work. It could be shown differently. Nothing there. There we go. Problems 4, 5, 6. Ooh, 6 has a star next to it. I wonder if that was a test question. 7A, 7B, number 8. Notice that that number line is a vertical number line, and 0 is here. The positives are above and the negatives are below. Number 9, 9B, 10, 11, 12, 13A and B, number 14. I hope all of that helps. That was 7 minutes. Good luck, everybody. Remember, if you ever have questions, don't forget my office hours.